All to my channel Wealth Wizards. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the market technical view. From past 3 trading sessions, Nifty has held on to the supports of 19,200, which was very crucial and was a trend decider. Now Nifty has been in a consolidation mode and the range being 19,250 to 19,400. Nifty if breaks the levels and sustains above 19,350, 19,400, we might head towards 19,500 levels. On the other hand, Bank Nifty has formed a higher base formation, holding on to the supports of 43,200, 43,600 has given the Bank Nifty a boost and higher base formation. Now the supports is placed around 44,000 levels and is sustaining above these levels can head towards 44,800, 45,000 levels. Overall, to summarize, Nifty has formed supports around 19,240, 19,200 zones. Bank Nifty has taken supports around 44,000, 43,600 zones. Now, sustaining above these levels, as the expiry is round the corner, we might see some short covering and Nifty can bounce back towards 19,450, 19,500 zones. Bank Nifty can bounce back to 45,000, 45,300 zones and above. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care. All